Okay, in this video, we're going to create a ceiling for a wood frame construction house. We're going to do that actually not with the ceiling command, but we're going to use the floor command because it'll give us a more accurate representation of the type of construction that we're doing. Now, first thing you want to do is make sure that your interior walls all go to the ceiling level. If you click on an interior wall, it should say up to ceiling. Okay, if you click on an exterior wall, it should say up to level roof. So just check your interior walls, make sure they go to the ceiling. Now the reason for that is this ceiling that we're going to create is actually made out of 2x10s with drywall on the bottom of it, and it actually sits right on top of these walls. And it will actually cut out the exterior wall out to the siding. So the siding will cover the edge of the ceiling, okay, but the wall inside there will be removed, which is why I say it represents the type of construction we're doing better. Okay, so I'm going to go to the ceiling level. I'm going to click on floor, not ceiling, and I'm going to choose the wood joist 10-inch wood finish. The edit type, I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to rename it wood joist 10-inch ceiling. Hit OK. Now I need to edit the structure of our new ceiling by removing the oak finish, removing the plywood sheathing. Okay, and then I'm going to insert a layer. If I click on the core boundary here and hit insert, and then move that layer down below the core boundary, and we're going to make this finish 2. That's its function. And its category, I'm going to type in the search window GWB for gypsum wallboard. That's drywall. And I'm going to hit OK. Now that drywall should be 1/2 inch thick. And we've got our ceiling. Okay, now the other thing we need to do, our ceiling is 9 3/4 inches thick. If we put it on the ceiling level, it will actually go, since it's a floor, it will go from the ceiling level down. We want it to go from the ceiling level up. So we need to put a height offset on it of 9.75 or 9 3/4 inches. Okay, then we can just go around and select all of our exterior walls. Make sure that the magenta line is on the outside. There is a flip arrow there. If the line is on the inside like this, flip it to the outside. You'll see it actually lines up with the core face of the wall, not the outside of the siding, which is what we want. We got our height offset, 9 3/4 inches. Hit the check mark. The first message that pops up, you want to answer no to that. We don't want the walls cut off at the bottom of the ceiling. So say no to that one. And then the second one, we do want the ceiling to cut the top of the wall off. So we say yes to that one. Okay. And just to show you what that actually did there, I'm going to create a section view. There's a shortcut to the section view right there. Through one of these exterior walls, and then right-click on the section line, hit Go to View, and we can see the section here. If I put it in fine detail level, hit Apply, you can now see here's my exterior wall, here's the ceiling I just made, and you can see how the ceiling joist, the 2x10 here, extends right out to the sheathing like it should. If you use the ceiling command to create a ceiling instead of the floor command, the ceiling will stop here, which is not accurate for wood frame construction. So that's why we used a floor to create the ceiling.